what's the freezing and melting point of water? Well, let's find out.
King Keys 100. Hey, baby Ray. Hood science. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water balls at 100, that's the real temp. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water freezing, I said 0, that's the real temp. I asked my mama for some ramen noodles. And for dessert, she said, grab you some snickerdoodles. So I put that pot of water on the stove to boil and said, Mom's, how hot should I set it for? Oh Lord, I didn't know the temp. At what degrees the water boil? What's the real temp? She said, think before you speak. If we are measuring degrees, what do you need? See, I knew that we were measuring temperature. So with my first thought, I went and grabbed a thermometer. Threw that thermometer in the pot real quick. It boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water freezing, that's at 0, that's the real temp.
0 and 100, that's the real temp. I'll give you a hint. It's nothing below or under 1%. It's the degrees of the Celsius. I'm talking about turning water to ice. Is the only number relevant. The number is 0. Don't be a hero. I think it's another number. Ice melts at 0. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water freezing, that's at 0, that's the real temp.
0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water boils at 100, that's the real temp. 0 and 100, that's the real temp. Water freezing, that's at 0, that's the real temp. We out, and we out, and we out, and we out, yeah, and we out, 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 and we out. This pot coming up.